In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install NetBeans on Windows laptop or PC. So just go to any browser and search for NetBeans download, then press enter, and there you can see Apache NetBeans release. Just click here and I'll give this link in the description. After coming here, you will see the current version of NetBeans over here. So those both are same. So I'm going to download this one. So for it, you just need to click on download and it will take you to this page. And from here, you need to choose the exe file. Since I am using Windows, so I'm going to choose this file, this exe file 64.exe. So once I just click on it, it will take us to another page. And here you can see, so I'm just going to click here and there you can see it started downloading NetBeans. And it is around 486 MB. It will take some time. Right now, I'll just fast forward the video. So here you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on the downloaded file. After that, it will show you something like this. There you can see it is right now installing. And if you want, you can customize this, but I'll just keep it the way it is. Then click on next. Then you need to accept the terms and agreement. Click on next. And here it will choose the download location for NetBeans, and it will also by default choose the Java JDK file. Just don't change anything over here. Then click on next. Then click on install. And there you can see the installation is complete. So right now we can just click on finish. Now we'll go to our Windows search option and we can search for NetBeans. And here you can see NetBeans ID. Just click on it and it will open NetBeans. There you can see, so we are going to create a new project. So here you can see new project option. Also, if you click on file, there you can see new project. Just click on it. Then let's say we're going to create a project Java with and. Just select this, then click on Java application, then click on next. Then you need to give your project name, and I'm just going to keep it the way it is. Then just click on finish. And there you can see it created a project for us. So here we are going to say system SLB capital dot out dot println. Then let's say here hello all. And if we just save this, then click here on this run button, it will run hello all. So this is how you can download and install NetBeans on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.